What are you doing, Bugaboo? What are you doing?
Oh, Mom, you want to put the time for me? And then time go to the party?
Hey guys, I haven't vlogged at all today because I've been busy editing the day before yesterday's video. So now it's uploading.
Guys, alright now.
And Mason's looking very handsome. You're looking very handsome. The cool hairdo. I don't know why it's being weird up here. Cool hairdo and cool tie. Right? Dork. Waiting for Brent. Stop it, that wasn't very nice.
And I'm taking this.
Okay. But yeah, today hasn't been very exciting. I mean, we had breakfast and lunch and stuff.
You want to show the dates to my 19?
Your ice cream? We'll show them when we come back. Bottom lollipop mold things, or ice cream, popsicle molds. So we made some out of some Kool-Aid. Some have Starburst in them. I think Brent ate the juice one yesterday, and he has a yogurt one in there too. But yeah, it hasn't been very exciting today. I mean, we had breakfast, then we had lunch. I mean, had breakfast, and then Mason went to his room to go take a nap. And then Brent came home, we had a little bit of lunch. And I've been editing this whole time. Editing one video this whole time. That was a really long one. Because I had multiple little clips that I had to go through and stuff. But it's done and it's uploading now. I'm going to start to edit yesterday's video. But I don't think yesterday's was very long at all. I don't think we did anything. But yeah, we're just hanging out. We're going to go to a bridal shower right now. Just for a little bit, just because they're really nice people and stuff. So we're going to go and congratulate them and all that fun stuff.
Hey, watch it. See?
What letter is that? Good job. We're gonna go and congratulate the bride and the groom, and or bride and groom to be, I guess. So, I don't know. We'll see how it is. I'll film something there. And Mason's looking very handsome. I have to clean the house tomorrow. Tomorrow. I finally caught up with my editing and vlogging and stuff, so that's good. Yeah. Alright. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Be nice to people. Stay safe. And goodbye.